Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant and good morning to all my dear students and parents who are sitting here. How are you all? Today I think so you do have the feelings of patriotism right now. You are the patriotic citizen and the patriotic young blood. Am I right? Yes. You love your country. Yes, we must. Because we are, what we are just because of our country, this dear homeland. So my dear parents, we decided here to arrange a grand assembly so that parents must also be involved in this so that they must know that how we are polishing and how we are doing for their students, for their kids during the school, even their environment. Not only on the big functions or the events, but we are also polishing, we are also doing for the kids or for the children, for their leadership qualities, for their confidence and the teamwork. We all time remain ourselves on toes. So this was a little reflection that we showed you. And unfortunately, I called many parents, but few parents are sitting. This is unfortunate situation that often I say that parents must involve in these sort of activities regarding academics as well as the co-curricular. But still I am watching, I am seeing, I am observing the parents who are sitting, they are very much less in amount or the number. But the parents who came here, I appreciate from the core of my heart that they came and they, appreciate the students. Allied School China State campus is not a little thing now. It matters. Alhamdulillah, it matters now in the area, even in the Lahore. We are putting our efforts, we are doing our efforts day and night. We are thinking about our future, our students, so that we must put our effort, we must pay our attention. So वो कहते हैं ना कि अपने हिस्से की घास को जर्द नहीं होने देना. So we are doing for that. But my request to all the parents who are not coming today, but for those parents also I am giving the message that they must come on and off. They must involve the school activities. They must involve in all the affairs of the school. They must do their positive or negative criticism so that we must move towards the better. This is because of our parents. This will be due to our parents. So I once again appreciate the parents and I am thankful to those parents who came here and appreciated our students. So there was a competition and this was my great desire to conduct beautiful mubahisa or the debate or the declamation. And you must know that this sort of declamation or the mubahisa, this is not the spirit of a school. It often happens in universities. But I have given the platform to the students on the school ground so that they must know what is positive and what is the negative effects or the impacts in the society. So the topic Ittihad Iman Tanzeem Zinda Hai. This was very much important and this was the quotation of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I personally idolize and I am a big fan of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Whenever I think, when I ever thought Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, believe me, I remain stand up for that person who gave us this beautiful homeland in which we are living without any restriction. So the topic this was Ittihad Iman Tanzeem Zinda Hai. Quaid-e-Azam का कोट था, कोटेशन थी. इसमें आपने खूबसूरत तकरीरें सुनी फॉर और अगेंस्ट में. एक तरफ वालों ने कहा कि हाँ जिंदा है, एक तरफ वालों ने कहा कि नहीं जिंदा है. सो बच्चों आपको समझ आई होगी इस चीज की कि व्हाट दे वर सेइंग, ही वाज सेइंग वी मस्ट हैव टू इंप्रूव दैट कि ईमान इत्तेहाद और तंजीम को जिंदा करना है, नॉट ऑन द नेशनल लेवल बट आल्सो इन आवर स्कूल सर्कमस्टांसेस, स्कूल प्रेमिसेस. इत्तेहाद के साथ यूनिटी, फेथ एंड डिसिप्लिन इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. That is actually the key to success. So you have to maintain your discipline. Ittihad, Tanzeem, discipline. These are the main key words. When people will follow these key words, nothing will be impossible for you, for me, and for the parents also. Am I right? Yes. Okay, today you will promise with me that you will follow the discipline, Tanzeem, Ittihad and discipline, unity, faith and discipline in your school premises also. When you will follow these in school premises, obviously you will be able to follow in the national level, in your, on your country, like nation level. जब एक कौम मुत्तहिद हो जाती है तो nothing is impossible. ठीक है बेटा? So I congratulate. It was very much difficult to conclude and to arrange or to decide the person who got positions. I appreciate the judges in this tough situation, this tough competition they decided. So first of all, on the Mubasa of senior level, two students were here with the topic Iman, Ittihad, Tanzeem, unity, faith and discipline. So the first position is secured by Abdullah Suleiman from Aisha House. He was against the topic. He said that Iman, Ittihad, Tanzeem zinda nahi hai. Okay, now second position got by Atika Shehzad, Iqbal House. अब मैं इस करारदाद को ऐवान के अंदर फेंकूंगी and will get the votes who is in favor of this करारदाद or topic, or who are the people who are not in the favor of this. The people who are saying that Iman, Ittihad और Tanzeem जिंदा है, please raise your hands. Main person of the school owner, director साहब, he is saying that Iman, Ittihad और Tanzeem जिंदा हैं in favor of the करारदाद. Now down your hand. Now give me the answer who are saying Iman, Ittihad, Tanzeem मर चुका. Yes. So from today's voting, करारदाद के हक के बजाय मुखालफत के जो थी उससे ज्यादा वोट आए. सो आज का जो विनर है ईमान, इत्तेहाद और तंजीम मर चुका, जिंदा नहीं है. Am I right? I am also with this. ईमान, इत्तेहाद और तंजीम नहीं है. बट बात यही खत्म नहीं होगी. नहीं है नाउमीद इकबाल अपनी कश्ते वीरा से, जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बड़ी जरखेज है साकी. ईमान, इत्तेहाद और तंजीम जिंदा होगा इंशाअल्लाह. बेशक हम इसके अगेंस्ट बोले, बट नाउमीदी नहीं है. सो ईमान, इत्तेहाद, तंजीम जिंदा नहीं है, बट जिंदा होगा बिकॉज ऑफ यू पीपल इंशाअल्लाह. बिकॉज ऑफ यू पीपल. Am I right? Say yes. Iman, Ittihad, Tanzeem, unity, faith and discipline हम जिंदा करेंगे. This will be alive inshallah with this young blood, with this youth inshallah.